If you are launching a new website, then you don't need to pay a fortune for your web hosting solutions. Small websites, personal blogs, or if you are starting fresh, just a new website you are launching, then you can consider cheap web hosting solutions that are there. Now, there are plenty of cost-effective solutions that are present right now in the market, and choosing the best solution for yourself from these thousands of providers might be really confusing and daunting for yourself. I bring to you 5 cheap web hosting solutions for you to choose from in the price range starting from few cents to say maximum $3. Question is, how do you choose the best cheap web hosting solution for yourself? So what I have done is I have done the analysis. It's a detailed analysis for few of these providers based on few parameters, starting from the contract term, then performance and speed, of course. Then I do check the money back guarantee, and also last but not the least, that is the customer service. So enough of this talking, let's get into the review quickly. So this is Sonit from Techitrical. So first up that we have here is HostGator. So HostGator is a popular name that we all know about. So now what are the things that it has in store for us? So if we see the money back guarantee, it does provide us with 45 days to actually review and get back to us. Now the term that they want us to be in, the contract term, is 36 months, and the starting price it gives us is $2.75 per month. Now the speed here is average page loading, so I wouldn't comment much on that. If you would want to, go ahead and start using HostGator, you can go ahead and give your experience. I have heard lots of different people giving good reviews about it, but then again, this is what I have tested and I found it's quite average page loading speed that I have. Now it also gives you additional services like backups and security, but then those are all additional stack-ups and additional prices, and the renewal rates are also quite high. And if I would say that they will constantly go on upselling their different products, and with that I would say, this okay. I wouldn't recommend going for HostGator, but still, if you want, you can go ahead. The next that we have here is the plans for the HostGator, and they have 3 plans for you to choose from. The first starts with the hatchling plan, they have the baby plan and the business plan. So these are the plans. You can go ahead and check in their website. The next review that we have is iPage. Now iPage is a very popular web hosting plan. It gives in a very good competitive pricing range. So if I would want to see iPage here, they are cheap, but what about their performance? So the money back guarantee that it provides us is 30 days. The contract that they want us to be in is 36 months, and the starting price is $1.99 per month. So this is as when I'm creating this video. It might increase or decrease after this period. The paid speed is okay, it's not bad. Okay, it's good, I would say. What to look out for is that they do not have free site migration. So what it means is that if you are in an existing web hosting plan in a different company, you will not be able to migrate to iPage free of charge. So they would be charging you based on per website. So you can go to their website and check what details they have, or maybe you can contact their customer care to get more details on that. Now iPage is basically used by those who are focused on an e-commerce page. So if you would want to use OpenCart or PrestaShop, you can go ahead and review iPage. The renewal costs are quite high, and I would not advise you to take a domain name from them. There are cheap solutions there, for example GoDaddy or Namecheap. You can go ahead and have your domain names from there, and then if you would choose iPage, then consider having your web hosting plan with iPage. The next up that we have is GoDaddy. Now GoDaddy, we all know, is popular for domain names, as I was saying, but then it also has a web hosting plan. So what does it have? So GoDaddy does an impressive job. Surprisingly, it has a good speed, and the contract that they want us to be in is 12 months, and they are providing us the starting price of $1 per month as when I am recording this video. And the money back guarantee is 30 days, but again, they have few clauses in their money back guarantee, so I would advise you to please check their refund policy before you are planning to get stuck with GoDaddy web hosting plans. Now again, here the website migrations are not free, so in case you want to come from a different hosting platform, you would have to shell out extra dollars. So apart from that, they also have a higher renewal rate, so in case you want to choose GoDaddy, just make sure that you are aware of these clauses. Now the next one I have is Bluehost, and I call it the big daddy of all of them, and it starts from $2.95 per month. And I would like to say that I had a website in Bluehost, and that was for 4 years, and I never faced any issues whatsoever. There was no lag in speed, there was no downtime that I experienced, and also to sum up, the customer service that they actually provide is actually awesome, and it is also multilingual, so they do provide that facility here, and they do also have a money back guarantee, although I did not have to go for a money back guarantee. So you may want to check that clause if you would want to, but then definitely if it's your first website, you can definitely go ahead and choose Bluehost as the option, and it will not let you down. And they do have a cPanel, it's very easy to go, and WordPress does recommend it as the hosting partner, so it will not let you down. Now this is just the starting price, so if I would take you to the pricing table, so you would find that they have lots of different other plans coming with it, and there are a lot of different features also they are providing with all of these upsells. So it's not only 36 months, they also have for 12 months, so in case you want to check for 1 year, you might definitely go ahead with a 12-month plan, but then of course the plan would be of a higher rate. It would not come with 2.95 per month. So you can definitely go ahead and check that. Now this is the one that I would recommend, that is Hostinger. I have my new website on Hostinger, and I am actually loving it, so it's breezingly fast, and I have not faced any issues whatsoever. So that's why I recommend anyone who is starting fresh or new, who doesn't know much of the hosting platforms and all, definitely you can go ahead and try Hostinger. In case you want to use Hostinger, I have the link down in the description below. It's an affiliate link, so I will get a commission, small commission, if you choose to use my link. Now it comes with a contract of 48 months, so just be aware of that. But again, there is another flip side of it, so you get it with 99 cents. So this is the price they are offering as on when I am recording this video today. It does come with a money back guarantee, but then they have few clauses there. Of course, when they are giving 99 cents, so it would not be that I choose to use it and then I would go out of their plan. So please make sure that you go through their refund policies. And also, just to let you know, they have a multilingual customer support, and I never faced any issues whatsoever. And if I use the chat, I would get a response back within a minute or so. So waiting period is very, very less. And just another point here is, if you are fascinated with cPanel, then I would not advise you to go with Hostinger, because they have their own customized cPanel. So if you do not know what's a cPanel, then it's okay for you. You can go ahead and use their platform, but it will not let you down whatsoever. They do have upsells, so if you would want other features, then definitely go for it. But I would recommend, you don't need any upsells right now. If you're starting off, just use the platform, experience it, and you can definitely go ahead and move to another another better improved cloud version, in once your blog or website starts earning. So there are Fastly and different other platforms that are there that I will take up in a different video. Now, in case you liked my video, please do not forget to give me a like and also subscribe to my channel and share this video, because this is the almost end of this 2020 and 2021 is coming, and many of you would want to know what's in store. So till the next time, bye bye.